Monire mosa, kampokelelani. So this poem that I'm reading, it's called My People, Tawina Tumbuka in Chitumbuka. So let me share screen. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. On this channel, I teach or I support you to learn a new language. In this case, Chitumbuka. Chitumbuka is spoken in Malawi, Zambia, Tanzania, Khongo, and other places. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this because I enjoyed writing the poem and translating it into Chitumbuka just for this audience, for you. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, this poem is called Tumbuka People by Loraine, Masiya, Mponela. I'll read in English first, then I'll read in Chitumbuka. I'll also put the both poems in the description below. Okay, so you can check it, or when you're listening, you can be also, I don't know. But anyway, the words are here, but maybe afterwards you can still check. Tumbuka people. My people, the Tumbuka people, scattered across southern and central Africa, multinational, within the borders of Zambia, Malawi, Khongo, and Tanzania, celebrating this plurality in language, Chitumbuka. Muliwuli is our greeting. Makola is the response with a smile. My people in Malawi, my land of my birth, live around the Lake Malawi, in the north of the country, in villages and communities hugging the lake. Vatumbuka is the noun for us, have shined for a millennium, blessing our region with intelligent leaders, values, rich in culture, inherited from our loving ancestors, we pride ourselves in. Our marriages are solidified by dowry, kupeleka chuma, which means transferring wealth in livestock or cash, sealed in negotiations. We sing songs so distinct for the troubled souls. We offer vimbuza, our healing dance. Thank you. So that was the English version. I will now get you to the Chitumbuka version. My People, Tawina Tumbuka by Loraine, Masiya, Mponela. Tawina Tumbuka. Mutundu wane, Tawina Tumbuka. Charo chapasi, tilumwazikana. Kuumwera na pakati pa azania, Africa. Muvyaro vinandi, tilimu. Tilimu charu cha Zambiya, cha Malawi, Khongo na Tanzaniya. Chikondwerero chatosi ise, chagona muchiyowoyero chithu, Chitumbuka. Muliwuli tikutauzgana. Nachimwemwe chose tuzgolana. Te makola kwa limwe. Mutundu wane. Northern Malawi. Charo chani cha kubabikira. Tiluzengezana na nyanja. Jia la nyanja la Malawi ilo likutimba vikaya vitu na tavantu. Mbwenu wakanthepa umoza demereri. Ise ndise Tumbuka. Kwa vyaka na mireri tuvara ngandi zuva bachihanya. Tili kutumbikika na walongozi wa mahala. Au malango ya wemipera wakulondeja. Ndiyo wakukula. Moyo witu ngwa usambazi. Muvinandi. Umu ndimo tili kufumira kuwa papi witu. Wakutemweka. Pantengwa tupeleka chuma kuwa chanakazi. Viwongo vikuru pakutipa mwana wao. Ng'ombe zubama. Ndalama matumba zikulikitika. Mwachipulikano chake. Sumu nazo tukowera. Zakavura aumbarwali. There's a spelling error here. Aumbarwali. Mmaganu gawo. Tuvina vimbuza. Mwene mumu tikusanga. Uchiji. Yeo chomen. Yeo. So, yeah, that's it, Lily. Yeah, Tumbuka, my people. Of course, the original one, the English one, is a bit longer, has a lot of things, like when I'm talking about the lake, I'm describing also the smell of the fish, the feeling of the sand under my feet as I walk. But for me to translate all of that into this would have taken me a bit longer. So, yeah. That's the snippet. So thank you so much for listening. Please, I do want to hear your comments, suggestions and feelings and what you think. That would be really helpful. Thank you so much. Yeo chomene, tawonga. Keep watching. Murutirije kuonera mavideo aya. Chifukwa para mkuonera, vikovira imwe, kweneso vikovira ine. Please continue watching these videos because when you watch, they help you as much as they also help me. Okay, so thank you so much. Naruta, man. Bye, bye.